Solve each compound inequality, then graph the solution. Negative 2m plus 7 less than or equal to 13, or 5m plus 12 more than 36. Now we have two different inequalities. So we start with the first inequality, negative 2m plus 7 less than or equal to 13. The second inequality, 5m plus 12 is more than 37. By subtracting 7, so negative 2m is less than or equal 13 minus 7 equals 6, divided by negative 2. Because we divide by negative, so we'll change the sign of the inequality, so m is more than negative 3. By the same way, we'll solve by subtracting 12, so 5m is more than 25, divided by 5, divided by 5, so m is more than 5. Now we need to graph the solution for the first one, and that is the second one, because we have two different inequalities. The first one, m is more than negative 3, that's negative 3, more than or equal, so we'll shift all of the parts at the right. M more than 5, so 5 at the right, more than. If you look at the question, you will find the word or. Or it's mean all of the solution, start from the first one and end at the last one. So we start from negative 3 and end at positive infinite. So we can find that the solution is m more than or equal to negative 3. If you find and, it's mean I need the common part between them, the intersection. The word or, it's mean I need all of the solution, all of the possible solution. So there is a difference between and or. And it's mean the intersection part, or it's mean I need all of the solution. A plus 1 less than 4. A minus 1 more than or equal to 3. So we'll start with the first inequality, a plus 1 less than 4. Or a minus 1 more than or equal to 3. By solving the first inequality by subtracting 1, so a less than 3. By adding 1, so a is more than or equal to 4. There is no number less than 3 and more than 4 at the same time. So the solution for this inequality, that's the first one and that's the second one. Then you can find the solution. For the first one, that's 3 less than 3, so that will be open and going left. And for the second one, we have 4, that will be closed and going to the right. Because we have the word or, it means I need all of the solution. So the solution now would be just one number line, that's 3 and that's 4. So I need all of the number which is before 3 and all of the number which more than 4 and going to the right. So the solution now, a is less than 3 or a more than or equal to 4. Number 3, x less than or equal to 9. So that's the first inequality, x less than or equal to 9. And the second one, 2 plus 4x less than 10. By subtracting 2, then 4x less than 8, divided by 4, so x less than 2. And x less than or equal to 9. So by graphing the two inequalities, that's the first one, that's the second one. That's 9, closed and going to the left. And that's 2 and going to the left. Because we have the word or, it means I need all of the solution. So the solution now will be x is less than or equal to 9.